Today I'm making Halloween candy stuffed brownies. First I'm going to make the brownie batter, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Next I'm just following the directions on the back of the brownie mix, so I'm going to add eggs, oil, and water. Then mix that up until it's combined. Next add the brownie batter into a greased 8x8 pan. Then I have these Halloween Oreos. I'm going to press 9 Oreos into the brownie batter, and then I'm going to bake this at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes. While the brownies are baking, I'm going to make the chocolate frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Next mix this up until it's smooth. Now the brownies are done baking and cooled for about 20 minutes, I'm going to add the chocolate frosting on top and spread that out. Next, I'm going to add some Halloween candy onto the brownies. I'm adding some Almond Joy, Hershey bars, Reeses pumpkins, and some peanut butter M&Ms. Here's an up-close look of the Halloween candy stuffed brownies.